BSG's Occupational Health and Wellbeing Initiative Award, awarded to the BSG member who is best able to demonstrate a recent initiative that has helped to prevent and reduce occupational health risks from the workplace. The nominee shortlist includes City and Country Group, Hills Homes Developments, Inspired Works, Key Plan Engineering and Vision Architectural Glazing Installations. Highly commended. A substantial investment was made by this architectural glazing business so that staff could have access to support which allows them to thrive both in and outside the workplace. Some of the resources that were set up included ergonomic workplace adjustments to prevent physical strain and reduce the risk of musculoskeletal injuries, mental health first aid training so that staff are equipped to respond to mental health concerns, tailored wellbeing sessions for on-site teams to help reduce stress, and regular staff reviews to encourage feedback. All of these initiatives have helped to increase employee engagement with more staff participating in wellness challenges as well as utilising the resources available. The company responsible for all this good work and this year's highly commended member for occupational health is
Vision Architectural Glazing Installations Limited.
Thank you.